Greetings everyone, Joseph James here from SchoolofTrade.com. Hope you guys had a good day today in our live trade room. This is the third video of this 5-part video series on our Discipline Cycle Workshop. Now guys, remember, out of all the things we have to worry about every day, right, trending and sideways, high volume, low volume, right, out of all the stuff we have to worry about, the most important thing usually lies within ourselves. And of course, the Discipline Cycle Workshop, we talk about how to have emotional discipline as we go over these 5 evolutionary steps towards your trading success. Now here's where we left off in our second video of this 5-part series. Now of course we first started out with our first video where we listened to my story. Right, we talked about, of course, in video number 1, listen to my story of the discipline cycle, how we created it, why I created it, and what it does. We also talked about and introduced you guys to the first phase here of the discipline cycle, which of course is discipline. This is the discipline to follow your simple trading rules. Now in the second video here, we introduced the second phase, which is consistency. This is consistency, of course, in your trading results. Now you'll start seeing the same thing over and over and over again. And of course, with that consistency, begins to build confidence. This, of course, is our third phase here of the Discipline Cycle Workshop. So once again, in the first video, we talked about discipline. That is the discipline to follow your simple rules, right? Discipline over your set of rules and, of course, your set of entry patterns. We then, of course, when we see discipline in our trading, if we follow our rules discipline, we're going to begin to see consistency in our results. Now, these consistency means we're going to start seeing the same results over and over again, rather than having big winning days then big losing days, right? Or having big winning trades then big losing trades. With discipline to follow those rules and only take the best setups, guys, you're going to begin to see more consistency in your trading. Now, when you begin to see the same thing, right, that consistency over and over again, what does that do? Just like if you were to get in your car and drive to work the same way every day, just like how we get up and eat our breakfast the same way every day, the same way we comb our hair, the same way we brush our teeth, right? What does that do, that consistency? It builds confidence. So when I do the same thing over and over and over again, seeing the same consistency, that, of course, builds confidence because now I know exactly what's going to happen. I've seen it 100 times before, and I am ready, willing, and able to wait for it. So confidence, of course, is built on a foundation of discipline to follow my rules. That discipline to follow the rules builds consistency in my results. Those consistent results, of course, start to develop that ever important confidence. Now let's talk about confidence, right? Confidence to a day trader is like oxygen. You can only go so long without it, and traders will do anything to get it back. I've always said in the live trade room, guys, I will pay thousands and thousands of dollars to get that confidence back because if I get it back, I can make as much money as I ever dream of. But having the confidence, again, you've got to build on the discipline and the consistency to develop this level of confidence. And again, you really can only go so long as a trader without it, and will do anything to get it back. So discipline to follow your rules leads to consistency. That consistency leads to your confidence. And of course, your confidence now, that's what it takes, right, to begin building your long-term success. So now we've learned about the third phase. We've got 2 more, right? What's up next? Well, in the 4th video, you guys don't want to miss this because now we're going to begin to really put the final touches together on how you're going to be a more consistently profitable trader, courtesy of the Discipline Cycle Workshop. So in the 4th video, we'll talk about the 4th phase of the Discipline Cycle, which is patience. As you can imagine, if we have discipline in our trading, that discipline leads to consistency, consistency leading to confidence. Well, what do you think that means, guys? Well, if I'm confident, now I can probably wait patiently now for pretty much whatever the market has to offer. And we'll talk more about how this patience, right? Your grandmother wasn't wrong, guys. Patience is a very valuable virtue. I can hear my grandmother right now telling me, Joey, be patient out there, right? Be patient. Good things come to those who wait. Well, they weren't kidding, right? Because as day traders, patience is another vital part of our success as traders. Guys, for more information about our lifetime membership or to come out and join us tomorrow morning with a free 3-week trial, drop us an email at sales@schooloftrade.com, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning in your live trade room at 7:45. My name is Joseph James. Hope this video has helped. This is the 3rd of our 5-part video series. Keep an eye out for the 4th phase, which is patience, coming up later on this week. We've got our last day of trading, December 11th, guys. We'll get it all in this week. See you guys tomorrow morning live trade room, and keep an eye out for our 4th video. Bye-bye for now.